Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking Oyakodon. Oyakodon is a classic comfort food of Japanese home cooking. Tender pieces of chicken, onions, and eggs are simmered in the umami-rich sauce and then poured over a bowl of fully steamed rice. Simple, delicious, and utterly comforting. Are you ready? Let's start! First about ingredients. For this recipe you will need chicken 1 piece, eggs 2, onion 1.5, Mitsuba Japanese parsley a suitable amount. And for our seasoning mix, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, mirin 2 tablespoons, sake 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, granulated Japanese soup stock dashi 2/3 teaspoon, and water 160 cc. First, we'll combine all our seasoning ingredients. Water 160 cc, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, two over 3 teaspoon Japanese style dashi group. Cut the material. By cutting raw ingredients, you can use cutting boards and knives when they are at their cleanest. This will help prevent food poisoning. Therefore, this time we will cut the Mitsuba first. Mitsuba leaves enhance dishes with their refreshing aroma and crunchy texture. Cut the Mitsuba leaves into 3 cm lengths. Next up is the onion. Slicing against the grain boosts its sweetness. Aim for thin slices around 5 mm thick. Finally, we'll chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces, removing any unwanted fat or skin. Add the pre-mixed ingredients and onion and simmer for 2 minutes over medium-high heat. After that, add the chicken and simmer for another 3 minutes over medium heat to cook the chicken. During this time, crack and beat the eggs. Eggshells are full of germs, so be sure to wash your hands immediately after breaking them to keep them clean. It tastes better if a little bit of white part remains, so let it dissolve slightly. Once the chicken is cooked, add 2/3 of the beaten egg and mix thoroughly with chopstick. Mix it gently, then cover it with a lid and let it sit for medium heat for 30 seconds without touching it. Add the remaining beaten eggs and simmer over medium heat until the eggs reach your desired hardness. The fire will continue to rise even while serving, so we recommend turning off the heat just before the desired hardness is reached. Let's plate it. Pour the rice into the bowl. Take care to balance the amount of meat and onions. Then decorate with Mitsuba leaves. And it's done! If you don't have Mitsuba leaves, I think you can decorate with green onions. And there we have it, the delightful Oyakodon. The harmony between the chicken egg and the umami-rich broth is simply irresistible. To recap, first, mix the egg just enough to leave some of the egg whites visible. Second, once you've added the egg to the pan, be cautious not to overmix. Third, remove from the heat just before the eggs reach your desired hardness. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!